Hello, everyone. My name is Anna, and today I want to share a very special story with you. This is the story of my father's struggle, how he worked hard for our family, and how he went from being poor to becoming a millionaire. His journey was not easy, but he never gave up. I hope this story inspires you to believe in your dreams and never lose hope. Let's begin. My name is Anna, and I live in California with my mom, dad, and younger brother. My father was born in a small village where life was not easy. His family was very poor, and they often struggled to find enough food. They lived in a small old house with a leaking roof. Despite these hardships, my father was a determined and hard-working boy. He knew that education was the key to a better life. He did not have good clothes or shoes, but he never missed school. He walked many miles every day, sometimes barefoot, just to learn. When there was no electricity at home, he studied under a streetlight. He dreamed of changing his family's future. As he grew older, he realized that opportunities in the village were very limited. He made a brave decision to move to the city. He left home with only a few coins in his pocket and big dreams in his heart. The city was new and strange to him. He had no place to stay, no friends, and no money. He slept on the floor in a small, crowded room. Every day he searched for work. After many rejections, he finally found a small job in a shop. The salary was very low, but he accepted it because he knew he had to start somewhere. My father worked tirelessly. He worked during the day and took extra jobs at night. He saved every penny and sent money back to his family. He never spent money on luxuries. Instead, he focused on learning new skills. He read books, observed successful people, and dreamed of starting his own business. After many years of saving and planning, he finally opened a small shop. It was not easy. Some days, no customers came, and he made no money. There were times when he did not even have enough to eat. He faced many failures, but he never gave up. He believed in himself and his dreams. Slowly, things started improving. More customers came to his shop. He worked hard and treated his customers with kindness. His small shop became successful. During this time, he met my mother. They got married and started their journey together. They lived in a tiny house, but they were happy. My mother supported him in every way. She helped him manage the shop, handled finances, and took care of the household. When my father was exhausted from work, she motivated him to keep going. She stood by him in difficult times and encouraged him when things got tough. As their family grew, my mother and father worked together to ensure a good life for us. My younger brother and I saw their struggles, and we also helped in small ways. When we were old enough, we helped in the shop after school. We cleaned, arranged products, and learned how to interact with customers. My father always said that family is the biggest strength, and we proved it by standing together. My father continued to work harder. He expanded his business. He took risks, invested wisely, and never stopped learning. His efforts paid off. His small shop turned into a big business. He earned more money and bought a bigger house for our family. However, success did not come without challenges. There were times when his business faced losses. Sometimes competitors tried to bring him down. He struggled with financial difficulties, but he did not give up. He worked harder, came up with new ideas, and found ways to grow his business. He never let failures stop him. Instead, he used them as lessons to become stronger and smarter. My mother was always there to support him emotionally and mentally. She made sure our family stayed strong even in tough times. She managed the household and ensured we were always encouraged to do well in our studies. Her love and patience helped my father focus on his business without worrying about home matters. As his business grew, he became a millionaire. But he never forgot his past. He helped many poor people by giving them jobs and financial support. He built schools for children who could not afford education. He donated money to hospitals and charities. Despite having a luxurious life, he remained humble. He taught me and my siblings that success does not come overnight. It requires patience, hard work, and dedication. He always tells me, no matter how hard life gets, never stop trying. Hard work will always pay off. I remember when I was a child, my father would sit with me and tell me stories about his struggles. He wanted me to understand that life is not always easy, but with determination, anything is possible. He taught me the value of honesty, kindness, and perseverance. Today, we live in a beautiful house in California. My father gave us everything we needed: education, love, and a comfortable life. But more than that, he gave us the greatest lesson: to believe in ourselves and work hard. He is not just my father, he is my hero. I am proud of him and everything he has achieved. His journey from a poor village boy to a successful businessman inspires many people. His story teaches us that no matter where you come from, with hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything. My father is proof that dreams do come true when you never give up. That was the story of my father's incredible journey. He started with nothing, but through hard work and dedication, he built a successful life for our family. His story teaches us that no matter how difficult life gets, we should never give up. Hard work always brings success. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next video.